Hello. In this meditation, we will use the law of attraction to help you create the reality that you desire. We will start with the visualization that will help you call forth that reality so that you can begin to experience it in the physical world. By the end of this meditation, I hope that you will start to trust in the process that the universe has for you and feel more confident in being on the right path for yourself. So let's go ahead and begin. All right, go ahead and find a comfortable position for yourself, either laying down or sitting up. You can go ahead and close your eyes when you're ready. Let's take a few deep breaths as we begin this meditation on manifestation. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Let's ensure that your body is feeling very comfortable and you have no tension that you're holding on to. So let's do a quick body scan and see if we can find any tension for you to release. Bring your attention to your face and your head. If there's any tension there, let it go. Then let's go down to your neck and your shoulders and your arms, your chest and your abdomen, releasing any tension that you feel. Your back, your glutes, your quads, your shins and calves and feet and toes. Let go of any tension that you feel. If you're laying down in bed, just let your bed support you fully and soak into that bed. And if you're seated, feel the chair supporting you and give your chair your full weight. And just let go and drop any tension you're holding in your body. I'd like for you to visualize what you're desiring, what is coming up for you right now. Are you looking for a new relationship, a new home for yourself and your family, more money, a new car, or a specific state of being? Perhaps you're looking to achieve the highest version of yourself possible in this lifetime. What are you looking to manifest? Who do you want to be? What kind of life would you like to live? I'd like for you to focus on the visual that's coming up in your mind right now as to what you'd like to work on. And keep your attention on that visual. What is the image that you see in your mind? Is this a future life partner? A future business? A home? Imagine you're looking at this image of your desire through a window. And now I'd like for you to jump through that window into that reality and experience that reality as though it were completely real. And now that you're in that reality, look around you and just see what you notice. What are all the colors like around you? What are all the objects like around you? What do you see? What do you hear? What do you smell? Be fully entrenched and embodied in this new reality. This reality where you have already achieved and already attained that which you desire. What do you feel inside? Do you feel a sense of accomplishment, gratitude, safety, security, happiness, joy, excitement? Notice your emotions. What does your body feel knowing that you've achieved that which you desire? How's your body responding? Do you feel calm, relaxed? Do you feel heightened energy, excitement? I'd like for you to fully embody this experience. The way law of attraction works is that if we convince ourselves that we have already achieved what we're looking to achieve, and also take massive action towards creating that reality, then we will eventually achieve what we're seeking. But we have to do it from a place of confidence, trust, belief, achievement, abundance, wholeness, fullness. We cannot be in a state of scarcity and lacking and wanting and having. If we are constantly in a state of lacking and wanting, then that's all we will experience, and we will never attain what we desire. Fully embody that which you seek as though you have already achieved it. bring yourself into a state of being of abundance and gratitude. Be grateful. Be grateful for all of the beautiful gifts you're about to receive from the universe. Say thanks in advance as though you have already received these gifts. Now that your mind and your thoughts and emotions and your body are fully aligned with that future reality, just recognize that you already feel as though you've already achieved what you're seeking. This is a state of wholeness and fullness. It's away from poverty and scarcity and lacking. And this is a very healthy way to move forward in life, to go and take action and work towards your hopes and dreams. And gratitude is the key to it all. Always say thanks for all the things you receive. We are approaching the end of our meditation. I'd like for you to bring your awareness back to your body and your environment. And if you'd like to continue, you can, but if you'd like to end the meditation, that's up to you as well. You can start to wiggle your hands and your fingers and your toes and move your body and slowly open your eyes. And I hope you feel fulfilled. I hope you feel at peace. I hope you feel calm and grateful. And just take this state of being with you throughout the rest of your day. All right, take care. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. If you'd like to experience less stress and anxiety in your life, greater quality of sleep, and more inner peace, join my free meditation challenge. It is designed to support your overall well-being. The link for that is in the description below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. I would love your support. Thank you and take care.